Welcome to Bennetts Bedrooms. In this short video, I'd like to tell you a little bit about the Sleepeezee Backcare Select 800. Sleepeezee come with a full 5-year guarantee. They are artisans of sleep since 1924, hand-making beds in the UK in Rochester, Kent. This one has 800 cushion springs inside. It's a damask cover, tufted buttons that go all the way through to the bottom and hold all the filling in place. The filling on this one is very special. It has a two-sided mattress. One side is British wool to keep you warm in the winter. Flip it over, it's got breathable polyester on the B side to keep you cool in the summer. It's a really nice firm feel on this one. The mattress itself stands 25 centimeters deep. It's side stitched, it's got handles and air vents on the side for maximum breathability. If there's any further information you'd like on this, why not give the guys and girls a call at Bennetts Bedrooms or just click back on the website.